Hello and welcome to H2O.ai University. Here, we offer comprehensive training and certification programs as well as connection options to labs that help you quickly become familiar with a wide range of H2O.ai tools and applications. If you're eager to enhance your AI skills, improve business outcomes, or simply explore our intuitive, cutting-edge tools, you're in the right place. This short video is the ideal starting point to dive into practical applications that are developed by our top Kaggle Grandmasters here at H2O.ai. The Aquarium Labs are designed to replicate our cloud environment, providing you with a hands-on, practical learning experience, all completely free and aimed at exploration and training. Aquarium is H2O.ai's cloud-based platform offering a complete environment for developing and deploying machine learning models. We encourage you to make full use of it as you progress through your H2O.ai University training programs. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through accessing and using H2O.ai Aquarium. We'll highlight its user-friendly interface and showcase various tools that are designed to bring your AI projects to life. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and visiting aquarium.h2o.ai. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create a new account. Fill in your first name, last name, organization, country, and email address. Complete the reCAPTCHA by checking the I'm not a robot box. Once that's done, click Create Account and email temporary password. You'll receive a temporary password in your email shortly. Check your inbox for the temporary password and use it to log in. Head back to the login page. Enter your email and the temporary password you received. Be sure to check the I am not a robot box again. Click Login and you'll be directed to the H2O.ai Aquarium homepage. Once logged in, you'll see a message saying you have no active labs. Browse labs to start one. Click on Browse Labs to explore the available labs and tools. You'll find various tools such as H2O Driverless AI, H2O3, LLM Studio, H2O Label Genie, Sparkling Water, LLM Data Studio, H2O Wave, Hydrogen Torch, and more. Please note that the labs may change over time, so what you see may slightly differ from what's shown in this video. Select a lab that interests you. Click on the lab to view more details, including the lab title, ID, and duration. When ready, click Start Lab. You will have 2 hours to explore and complete tasks. After the session ends, all your activity and data will be erased. If needed, you can always start another lab to review any concepts or finish your work. Once the lab is started, you'll see a message indicating, "Please wait, starting the lab may take several minutes." Once it's ready, you'll see a link to access the lab. Click the link and it will open in a new tab. This will take you to the homepage of the tool you're about to use. You're now ready to explore and complete assignments from the H2O.ai University courses and learning paths. Good luck and enjoy your learning experience.